It's Wednesday, 2nd of October 2024 at Condobolin, riding home from work on the Treadley, and lo and behold I hear, look what we have here. Oh, this is awesome. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Absolutely. Oh, check it out. Oh, I love it. I hope they look big, because they look big from here. Oh, I can't wait to see these go through Albury Wodonga. Look at those big ones. Aren't they awesome? That's the way to carry freight. Oh, love it. I feel very blessed that I had to work late. Wow. Oh, he seems to be slowing down. Something's going on. There is some work going on out at the silos. They're putting in a new loading facilities and new loop. So I'd say there's, well, there you go, look at that. It mightn't even go off screen. Well, there you go. Thanks for joining us.